Hey all, my name is Paul Borowski and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some tips and tricks on how to write a courier business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the courier tips and tricks business plan. I'll give you all a few tips and tricks on how to write one. All right, without further ado, let's jump into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borowski, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the courier service, your courier service business plan, and some tips and tricks. So, the first tip that I can offer when writing a courier service business plan is to make your cover page neat and clean. One of the biggest issues that I've seen when a courier business does their own business plan is they put a lot of information about their business on the title page. They'll put the name of the company, they'll put the address, they'll put the phone number, they'll put the email address, they'll put the social media links. I mean, there's just a lot of information going on the cover, and it's a little bit overwhelming when a reader first gets that document. So, one of the best ways to structure your title page is to put your name of your company right up the top. Just let the reader know what your company name is. Then go ahead and then put your logo underneath, and then finally at the bottom, just simply put business plan. Let them know what document they're looking at. I mean, you've got a multitude of different documents for a business. You've got your marketing plan, you got your strategic plan, you've got your business plan, you've got your operational plan. There's just so many different types of plans that a business can have that you want to let the reader know explicitly what document they're going to be looking at. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at tip number two. Tip number two is focused on the executive summary. When I write my executive summary, I like to tell a story, but I like to have it really succinct. Because usually, if a reader is going to read your business plan, typically the only thing they're really going to read from top to bottom is going to be your executive summary. After that's done, then they'll go ahead and they'll flip through your business plan. They might take a look at your marketing strategy if they're interested in that. They might take a look at your operational strategy or your financial projections. But almost every time that I talk to an investor or I talk to a loan officer, I know for a fact that they are reading your executive summary. So when you write your executive summary, you want to go ahead and make sure you tell your story and make sure you have a beginning, middle, and end. So for example, when I write my executive summaries, I'm going to go ahead and start with the courier service and local delivery service summary. I'm going to let them know what you're doing, where you're located, and your hours of operation. So I'll put all that information first. After that, I'm going to then tell them the target market, what geographic range you're going to be servicing. Once I'm done with that, I'm then going to tell them what your revenues are what your expected revenues are going to be, your expenses, and your net profits. And then finally, in order to make this whole vision come true, the succinct vision of your business come true, how much funding you need and the terms expected for the funding. So when you follow this structure, you're introducing your company and telling the reader what you're doing. You're telling the reader where you're doing it. Here, you're going to be telling your reader how much money you're going to be making in your net profits. And then finally, the fourth segment is how much money you need in order to make all of the above come to life. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the third tip, which is going to be your SWOT analysis. So your SWOT analysis seems really pretty straightforward how to create a SWOT analysis. You've got your strengths, which is your S, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. So it seems pretty straightforward, but I can't tell you how many times a client has this all discombobulated because they don't understand the true structure of a SWOT analysis. When you are doing your SWOT analysis, your strengths and weaknesses should be focused on the interior aspects of your business, or things that you can control or most likely should be able to control over the long term. And then your opportunities and your threats, that should be focused on your external environment or things you can control outside of your business. So, for example, strength, documented strategic and business plans. Well, you can control that. You can go ahead and document your strategic plan. You can have a written business plan. Those are things that are within your control. A weakness is a startup courier service. So that is a weakness. And once you start your business over time, as you build experience and you build brand recognition, well, that's something you can control as well, because you're going to move from a startup courier service to an experienced courier service. And that's a weakness you can control and move over to a strength segment. Your opportunities and threats, like I said, are things you can't control. Appeal to a wide variety of users. Well, you really can't control if there is going to be a wide variety of users that are actually going to appeal to your business. You can try and you can put in marketing strategies in order to hopefully attract them, but you can't control it 100% whether they're going to be attracted to your business or not. And then finally, for threats, local competitors. Well, you can't control what a local competitor is going to think, say, or do. So technically, they are outside of your area of control as well. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and now wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.